There you go. Catching snowflakes there. Why do you keep going that way? You're gonna get stuck? Yeah, I can't come and get you. Better figure your own way out of there. Come on. Come on. Come on, Sniper. You got yourself in there. Come on, Snipe. Come on, Sniper. Figure it out. You go back the way you came. You got it. No, he's all covered in snow again. Shake it out. You like that, don't you, Sarah? So much fun. Uh-oh. Now what, Zoob? Came to the end of the rope. Come on, guys. Get out there, go potty. They have yet to poop. Too busy playing. Sniper, don't go that way.